Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss and learn what is solubility and what are the factors affecting the solubilities. So first, what is solubility? We can define the solubility as the amount of solute in gram dissolve in 100 grams of solvent to prepare a saturated solution at a given temperature. We can write the solubility as the solubility is equal to the mass of solute divided by the mass of solvent multiplied by 100. As we know that different substances have different solubilities in the same amount of solvent at a specific temperature. For example, sodium nitrate is more soluble than silver chloride in water. Here we can see that the solvent is the same, that is water, for both the solute, that is sodium nitrate and silver chloride, but here the solubility is different of both the solute, that is sodium nitrate is more soluble in water than silver chloride. There are various factors which affecting the solubilities, that is the nature of solvent, nature of solute, pressure and temperature. In this video we will discuss only the factor, that is nature of solute and the nature of the solvent. As we know that there is a general rules that like dissolve like. It means that solute and solvent of the same nature will be soluble with each other. By following this rule, like dissolve like, we can see what is the nature of solvent affecting the solubilities. So when the molecules of solute are similar in nature to the molecules of the solvent, the solubility is greater because like dissolve like. For example, sodium chloride is an ionic compound and it has the greater solubility in polar solvent like water, but it has the low solubility, or its solubility is less in non-polar solvent like benzene, because the nature of sodium chloride and benzene are different. Similarly, nature of the solute. The nature of solute also affect the solubilities. If a solute is changed and the solvent remain the same, the solubility of the solute also changes. For example, sodium chloride has high solubility in water and the sugar has comparatively low solubility in water. Here you can see that the solvent is same but the solute are different. So the different solute have different solubilities in the same solvent. For example, if we have 100 grams of water, and this 100 grams of water can dissolve 192 gram of ammonium nitrate, and similarly the 100 grams of water can dissolve 6.5 gram of AgCl2. Similarly, if the solvent are different but solute are same, then we take the example that is the 100 grams of water can dissolve 6.5 gram of AgCl2, while the 100 grams of ethyl alcohol can dissolve 47.6 gram of AgCl2. Here you can see that the solvent are different but the solute are same. So different solvent have different solubilities for the same solute, and in short, the like dissolve like rules say that when the solute and solvent of the same nature will be the soluble in each other. So the polar solute is soluble in polar solvent. Similarly, the ionic solute is soluble in polar solvent, and non-polar solute is soluble in non-polar solvent. That's for all today, the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.